as you're typing along, chances are there will be spelling mistakes, and Captivate has an inbuilt tool to check the spellings as well. So for that, I'm just going to go over here onto the project section, and here you can see that there's check spelling as an option, and the shortcut key for it is F7. So once I click on it, what happens is that it'll show up a spell check option. So you can see that the spelling of this is wrong, so it provides suggestion for us to change this out. I have an option to ignore this, so if it is a name or something, then I can simply ignore it, but this is not a name, so I can simply change it out right over here. And then it moves on to the other error, that is paragraph, as you can see right over here. So I can change this out right over here. But I know that this, as I copy pasted this, that there's an error on all of it. So what I can simply do is I can click on change all, and then it'll change all of the error right over here and changes that, corrects that out, as you can see. So that's what spell check is all about. Let me make one more mistake right over here and go to spell check again. So let me go to project right over here onto spell check. It actually points out to that particular word, as you can see. So I have an option to delete the word as well. I have an option to change or add to dictionary. So if you write in a name or a company name continuously and it shows that as a spelling error, then you might want to add that to dictionary so that it never changes out. Let's try that out. So for example, right over here, let me just correct this out. I'm going to type in TutorTube. So just like that, I'm just going to type in TutorTube right over there. So if I were to go to spell check, it should show it as an incorrect spelling. So if I were to go over here, check spelling right over there. So it does not show anything right over here, which is nice. Seems like I've already added that out. So if I were to go over here, spell check, project, check spelling, and it shows TutorTube right over there. So now let's say that I do not want this to show as a spelling error. I want it to show as a correct spelling right over here. So what I can simply do is add to dictionary right over here, just like that. And then now it won't ever show TutorTube as an error right over here. So now let me just go over here and type in TutorTube, just like that. Let's see if it shows it as an error or not. So if I were to go over here on to project, check spelling, it does not show it as an error. And that is how you can check spelling inside of Adobe Captivate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.